Namaskar, I am Dr. K. Nagratna, Head Meteorological Center, Hyderabad. Today I am going to give you a brief review of the weekly weather during past 1 week and weather forecast for next 2 weeks over Telangana state from 24th June to 7th July 2021. The main synoptic features that have prevailed during past 1 week: an upper air cyclonic circulation over South Bangladesh and adjoining Northeast Bay of Bengal between 2.1 kilometers and 7.6 kilometers above mean sea level, tilting southwesters with height on 22nd. And there is a trough running from southeast UP to South Chhattisgarh across Jharkhand between 3.1 kilometers and 5.8 kilometers above mean sea level on 23rd June. Mainly, westerlies and southwesterlies have prevailed over the Telangana state throughout the week. Telangana rainfall as a spatial distribution shows that during first half of the week there had been rainfall at few places, but many places over the Telangana state. Mainly light to moderate rains have occurred during the week. Heavy rainfalls greater than 7 centimeters have resulted in Kumrambim and Adilabad in northern districts. Dahegam 7 centimeters, Adilabad 7 centimeters have recorded. We see the weekend rainfall for the past 1 week show that actual rainfall recorded is 13.8 millimeters against the normal rainfall of 34.2 millimeters, which is below normal of the long period average by 16% over the state Telangana as a whole. Out of total 33 districts, 4 districts received normal rainfall, 22 districts received large deficient rainfall, and 7 districts received deficient rainfall during recent past 1 week. As a season as a whole starting from 1st June to 23rd June, it is shown that actual rainfall recorded is 144.8 millimeters against the normal rainfall of 92.0 millimeters, which is above long period average by 57% over the state as a whole. Out of total 33 districts, 18 districts had large excess rainfall, especially in the north and north central districts and western districts of Telangana, and normal rainfall is received over 7 districts over the northeastern districts, that is Bhadradri, Kottagudem, Khammam and Suryapet, in districts of Vikarabad, Narayanpet, Rangareddy. And 2 districts had received deficient and 1 district has received large deficient rainfall in the southwestern districts of Telangana. On the whole, Telangana had excess rainfall till now. So if you see the forecast for next 5 days, you see that mainly light to moderate rains are very likely to occur in few or many places over Telangana state, and at times heavy rain very likely to occur in 1 or 2 places over Telangana. The extended range forecast for next 4 weeks shows that during 1 week light to moderate rain accompanied with thunder shower at isolated places over Telangana likely to occur. During second week light to moderate rain accompanied with thunder showers at isolated places are likely to occur, and the rainfall is likely to be normal over Telangana during week 2. Extended range forecast for the rainfall shows that during week 1, 25th to 1st July, rainfall is likely to be in between light to moderate over many parts of the Telangana state. As such, if we see over the Telangana, week 2, the rainfall is likely to decrease as a whole, but slightly rainfall is likely to be light to moderate in north and northeastern states of Telangana. Maximum temperatures as observed from the extended range forecast for the week 1 are likely to be between 28 degrees Celsius to 34 degrees Celsius, and mainly temperatures are likely to be in the range of 32 to 34 degrees Celsius in east and northeastern districts of Telangana. Minimum temperatures for week 1 and week 2 are likely to be in the range of 20 degrees Celsius to 26 degrees Celsius, both week 1 and week 2, and are likely to be below normal. Extended rain forecast for next 4 weeks shows that there is a very less chance of the formation of cyclogenesis over North Indian Ocean during the ensuing 2 weeks. For weather updates of imdhyderabad.gov.in is our website, and if you go into our website, we can find out the forecast, both the languages of Telugu and English, and even warnings and pictorial representation of the warnings. Even climatology information is also available in this website. Also, we have the social media links: Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and YouTube, and where the products are updated for every 3 hours. And we have a crowdsourcing link, city.imd.gov.in, where the information at the remote locations, whether it may be a hailstorm or any extreme weather, heavy rainfall or any situation, can be entered into it for every 3 hours, including the pictures. Thank you for joining this and watching this video. Any comments, please write down. Thank you.